How to create or generate your report. What is report? Report will be any hard copies that you printed out to show you the status of the software and show you the monthly income generated by your cafe. To start with, go to your menu bar located on the top left of the server window, look for the menu name File. Select File and click on Reports. A dialog box will pop up. Now I will explain what is this dialog have and what does it do. On the right part of the screen is the preview of the possible printout of the report. It has its watermark depending on the cafe name you have registered. That is why registering using your valid cafe name is very important, because it will be displayed on the report generating. On the top left of the screen you have the report type list. This will give you an option on what type of report would you like to generate. Will it be on a daily basis report, or the report for the entire month? Now how will you know what month or day the report will generate? Notice below the report type list, we have the date. This will give you the option to select what day or month you would like to generate your report. You can select the daily report. This will display the report it generated depending on the date you have selected. There's also this monthly report. Obviously it will generate the monthly report you have selected for that month. Example, you have selected month of August. Then it will generate all reports from August 1st to the last day of the month. Once you selected the monthly report, this option will just ignore the date you specified on the date option. It will just retrieve the month you have selected and will disregard the date. Below the date option we have the report option. You can select from the type of option you want to generate. The types of reports are Sales Summary Report. This will retrieve all the income you have generated on every computer unit. Now it will depend on the report type you have selected above. It may generate the income of computers daily on a specified date. Or it may generate the income of computers monthly on a specific month. Sales Report by Computer. Choosing this option will let you segregate the income of every computer on a detailed form. Meaning, this will show you all the information and sales that a specific computer unit generated on that day month. Example, let's consider Computer 1. Notice below Computer 1 has a list of users from the specified date you selected. It will show you how many customers have used that computer unit and the name of every user. It will also show you the detailed information of that transaction. It will give you the time in and time out of a user, the duration of their use, the amount they paid and the type of computer usage they used. It will also display if the computer unit was used using PayMyCafe transaction number features, and what transaction payment status it have, be it paid or unpaid. This will also tells you who was on the shift during that day. Sales Report by Attendant. Choosing this option will let you monitor how much income was generated during the attendant shift. This works just like Sales Report by Computer, although the only difference is that the computer usage is not the same as of the sales report, that the report was grouped according to computer unit. In this report it will list the transaction made according to attendant shift. Sales Report by Usage. This option will let you generate report according to what type of computer usage was used. Example, on all your computers it will show you the report of how many computers was used for encoding, or how many computer was used for gaming, or how many computer was used for internet browsing. Load Central Sales Report. You can also monitor how many Load Central transactions were made during that specific date month by choosing the Load Central Sales Report. Other Income Sales Report. Choosing the Other Income Sales Report will let you generate a report of how much sales you made on all the products you are offering. This is useful for cafe owner who have their cafe selling foods and drinks as part of their cafe service. They'll be able to generate how many food and drinks were sold in a specific date. Expenses Report. In this report you'll be able to keep track of how many expenses the cafe generated. This will include the billing for water consumption, the products that were bought, electric bill and other consumption of the cafe that needed to be kept track so that owners can take note of the income that comes in the business and the income that goes out. Income statement. Income statement reports the overall income and expenses of the cafe from the specific date. You will be able to take note if the cafe is earning or losing money.